Right from the start, the judge sets a serious tone. When a judge reminds a defendant that prison is still an option, it's not casual talk. It's a warning shot. Do you think Caleb realizes how serious his situation already is?
You're Caleb Jubert, and Mr. Jubert, you've got 2 cases. Were you able to get someone hired? Speak up, please. Who'd you talk to? Speak up. Say the first one. Hand it to the bailiff. So did you talk to him or somebody talked to him for you?
Me and my mom was talking.
So are you do you go to MHMR, Spindletop? No? What's that written on here for? You don't know? So are you working? Why not? You don't know? Where have you been looking?
I went to work. But I had to do my ID. I ain't had ID.
Do you have your ID now? Okay. If I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system? Have a seat, let's double check that. Autumn Payne. Autumn Payne. Mr. Jubert.
She won't take the offer, so I just said, I tried.
I'm sorry?
She refused it.
Okay, that's fine. I'll do the plea in just a minute.
Here's where things start going downhill fast. Admitting to smoking marijuana while facing felony charges is a massive red flag in court. Bond conditions are strict for a reason, break them, and judges often respond harshly. Was this just a mistake or reckless decision-making?
You realize how ridiculous that sounds to say I quit last week?
This moment is huge. The judge officially finds a bond violation and raises the stakes. Literally. Raising bond means it becomes harder for the defendant to stay out of jail while waiting for trial. It's the court's way of saying, we don't trust your judgment right now. Now the judge pulls out Caleb's criminal history, and this is where past actions come back to haunt defendants. Multiple prior convictions make judges far less likely to show leniency. Do you think someone with this record deserves another chance? Or is the system just following the pattern?
And that offer that Ms. Hawkins and I discussed was that jurisdictional type issue that she addressed with the court, and also the fact that there ended up being no restitution that's owed to any individual.
Okay. And I appreciate that argument that Ms. Hawkins made, but it's also important, and I would hope that other judges in other counties would find it just as important. And cause number 25 DCCR 1130, I'm going to raise your bond to $15,000. And I'll go over conditions of both of the bonds in just a minute. And then in cause number 25 DCCR 1131, going to raise your bond in that case also to $15,000.
The drug patch requirement is actually a pretty serious monitoring tool. It continuously tracks drug use instead of relying on random tests. The judge is basically giving him one last structured opportunity to stay clean, but also setting a trapdoor straight back to jail if he fails.
Go back with the bailiff.
I don't know if I did that inadvertently, but I will honor that. And that would mean that would change it to him pleading to still the added count of an attempt R&O with dismissal of the balance of charges.
This final exchange shows something many viewers miss. Defendants must actively protect their own interests in court. When the judge asks why he didn't speak up earlier, it highlights how important it is to fully understand plea deals before agreeing. Ever wondered how many defendants feel pressured or confused during these moments?